Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is a perfect device to keep you in shape, and it is a Thigh Master. However, it is a Thigh Master with a twist because it can be utilized for multiple types of exercises. So this was sent over by a company called Keria, and you can get it in either a black or a pink version. I have both to show you what they look like. So here is the black one, and then here is the pink one. Now you'll notice I have two different types of attachments on those, and we're gonna go over what those are here very, very shortly. So in addition to when you open it up, you're naturally going to get a little quick start guide. We're gonna go over all the features. You're gonna get some Velcro here. Then you are going to get a nice little bag here to keep everything in so you don't lose all the parts in pieces. You are going to get a set of handles and a set of paddles, which you can attach to the various device. And in addition to that, you're gonna get these two little balls here, which you can attach to the handles and turn into a ropeless jump rope for those kind of exercises. And they're weighted, so that way you feel as you're doing a real jump rope exercises. So that's really, really cool. Now, let's go first over the black one. And as you can see, looks very, very nice. It has in the front, you're gonna have a little button. This is gonna be a counter. It's just a little digital counter. Just simply press the red button and it'll wipe it out. And then every time you use it, so whether you're doing it by time or whether you wanna do a number of rips or something like that, you can do that. Now at the bottom is a knob. That is what's gonna allow you to make it the resistant tighter or looser. And then as you can see, there is a little screen here with a dial that tells you how tight it actually is. This can go from 0 to 60 kilograms, which is equivalent of about 0 to 132 pounds of resistance. So you got plenty of resistance. And then as you can see, it has these two nice little paddles here, which have a nice little foam insert. So this is basically in the thigh mode. You'll set this in your thigh and then you will push them together. Absolutely great for working out your pelvic floor, working out Kegels, and basically just working out those thigh muscles. Now you can also put this kind of more in between your different calves. You can do various different exercises with this as you wish, but where it gets really cool is now on the pink one, which has all the same features, you have little handles here, and then you can turn this into arm workouts, which is another great feature of it. So you're not just working out your thighs. This is going to be able to work out multiple parts of your body, which is absolutely great. And then same thing, just adjust the dial however you need. So maybe you're not wanting to have as much pressure on your thighs versus your arms. You can do that with this setup. And like I said, it comes in two different colors. You can pick which one fits your personality. But if you're looking for a great way to work out, whether it's your thighs, whether it's your arms, this product is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.